Hello friends, this is Alexey again. Past week was full of media flow from Munich and Productronica. Even though it's not the same as it used to be before the pandemic, this is certainly a good start for the events industry. And I'm looking forward to Power Semiconductors events coming next year. And don't forget about the virtual events end of November and beginning of December. Stay tuned for updates. And now it's time to see what is new in Power Semiconductors industry. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor, a designer, developer, and global supplier of a broad range of power semiconductors, power ICs, and digital power products, announced the release of the latest 80-volt power MOSFET using a patented shield gate technology, which is optimized for higher switching frequencies used in telecom and server power supply to achieve higher efficiency compared to the previous generation. The new 80-volt power MOSFET technology has lower switching losses in hard switching topologies and have less voltage overshoot than the previous generation. This improved performance from a light load operation and throughout the load range results in easier design choices for high-efficiency applications. The 80-volt MOSFET family of devices offers the highest levels of power density and energy efficiency, which is essential in solar, power supplies, and battery power applications such as in e-scooters. Network traffic has been increasing due to digital transformation, the increase in remote work, and the expanded use of Internet services. This has accelerated capital investment in data centers and communication base stations. Because data centers and communication base stations require a large amount of DC power for facility operation, their power supply equipment is outfitted with power semiconductors that efficiently convert the AC power received from utility companies into DC power. Power semiconductors undergo power loss when power is supplied. Fuji Electric has developed and launched its second-generation Discrete silicon carbide Schottky barrier dies for power supply equipment of data centers and communication base stations, and will contribute to energy saving by reducing steady-state loss in electronic circuits. For modern switch-mode power supplies and battery-powered applications, there is a clear trend towards high efficiency and improved reliability. Supporting this trend, Infineon Technologies introduced the OptiMOS 600V with a new power MOSFET technology. The new technology is specifically optimized for high switching frequency applications such as telecom and solar, where losses are associated with charges and on-state resistance. At the same time, due to the best-in-class RDS on and wider safe operating area, it is also ideal for battery-powered applications and battery management systems. ROHM has recently been certified as a preferred supplier of silicon carbide power solutions by United Automotive Electronic Systems (UAES), a Chinese Tier 1 comprehensive automotive manufacturer. ROHM and UAES have been collaborating and carrying out detailed technical exchanges on the development of automotive applications utilizing silicon carbide power devices from 2015. In 2020, ROHM established a joint silicon carbide technology laboratory at UAES headquarters in Shanghai, China, with the goal of strengthening cooperation on the development of innovative power solutions centered on silicon carbide, and mass production of a number of automotive products equipped with ROHM silicon carbide power devices is already underway, such as onboard chargers for electric vehicles. Texas Instruments announced plans to begin construction next year on its new 300mm semiconductor wafer fabrication plants in Sherman, Texas. The North Texas site has the potential for up to 4 fabs to meet demand over time, as semiconductor growth in electronics, particularly in industrial and automotive markets, is expected to continue well into the future. Construction of the first and second fabs is set to begin in 2022. Production from the first fab is expected as early as 2025. With the option to include up to 4 fabs, total investment potential at the site could reach approximately $30 billion and support 3,000 direct jobs over time. Rogers Corporation announced that it has entered into a definitive merger agreement to be acquired by DuPont in an all-cash transaction that values Rogers at approximately $5.2 billion. Following the closing of the transaction, Rogers will be integrated into DuPont's Electronics and Industrial Business Unit. Rogers' significant application engineering, design experience, and deep customer relationship form a strong strategic fit with DuPont's innovation capabilities and collaborative approach to solving the most complex customer challenges. Phase-change thermal interface material offers a simplified manufacturing process, but generally has a higher thermal resistance than paste. Semikron, determined to find the best solution, researched which phase-change material offers the best benefits to their power modules. we found a solution which competes with even the latest high-performance thermal paste. In this webinar, Stefan Hoppe will explain the most significant properties of thermal interface material. Additionally, he will explain the support Semikron provides, such as pre-applied thermal interface material. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to Market Insight website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.